Alright, we'll start our update over here. We have electrical penetrating the wall. And we're coming over. Babe's sitting down.
Enjoying the fruits of our labor.
Alright, oh. Alright, well, we got our closet all framed in. Our utility closet. And the whole backside all put up there. Window ready to go. Went around all the pipes and stuff. There we go. Got to do some more stuff in here, but look. All electrical's in. Alright, we framed up this wall right here. Still got to seal it. Going over here. Alright. All the rough electricals ran for all our can lights everywhere we need them. Our temporary lights are still up for now. And almost ready for spray and insulation next, and a few other odds and ends that we got to do. But yeah, got all the electrical in. That's exciting. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Not much has really changed in the bathroom, but it will soon. We're hoping to have our washer and dryer set up in the utility room today. All ready to go. The bird's nest is out. And we're hard at it. Brought some old tile from our house. We're gonna put in the utility room. Just some dark, good stuff, porcelain. And yeah, so our can light's gonna be like right here in the middle, like right there, right over our bed. And then there's where our other one's going. We brought our tile stuff, full tile. And yeah, that's the update for today. Do another one later today. All right.